In this video, we're going to be talking about the graphing and plotting capabilities of Python. Alright, so Python is a programming language that is supported by a wide array of libraries or packages, alright, that are distributed freely and openly. Alright, and whatever you want to do, you can generally find some package or library that you can use, okay, that is already out there and published open source. Okay, so what we're going to do is, to perform graphing or plotting, we're going to import this library called matplotlib.pyplot. Okay, so how do I go about importing a library? I say import matplotlib.pyplot. okay, now splt. Now what are we doing here? All right, so what we are doing here is, we are saying that I want to import this library or this package, and once I import it, I'm renaming it locally as plt. All right, so the reason why we do it is so that it is easier for us in our code, where we only need to reference our new name instead of referencing the entire name of the package. Okay, so subsequently I can just use plt to make use of all the functions that are provided by this package. Alright, now let's go ahead and create some data first. X equals to, okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so I have 8 sets of 8 x values. So basically, to do a plot, you need xy coordinates. So if I have 8 x coordinates, I need 8 y coordinates as well. Alright, so I'm going to give some values here: 17, 26, 44, 69. Again, these are just some random values. Alright, so for us to visualize the data. Okay, now how do I plot? Okay, very simple. You just call plt. Again, plt is now the short form, alright, that we have given for this entire package. So plt dot plot, and you give the x followed by y. Alright, so let's go ahead and run it. Okay, so you can see here, okay, that I get this nice plot, alright, that represents all the data points. Okay, so by default, what this plot function will do is, it will map out a blue straight line, okay, to connect all the dots, okay, or all the coordinates together. Alright, now one of the important things, alright, to take note whenever you are plotting any graph, alright, is to always have three key important aspects of the graph. One is the title, the labeling of the x-axis, and labeling of the y-axis. Alright, so let's go ahead and do it. So to give it a title, we say plot.title, okay, and we're going to give it a name, for example, number of staff, okay, versus year. Okay, then plot dot x label. Okay, so x label can be year, and plot dot y label. Alright, y label can be the number of staff. Alright, so these are the three things you need to know. Alright, so you can see that this approach, alright, this package, sorry, gives you a very good way of quickly plotting out some data and labeling the x-axis, y-axis, and giving us a title. Alright, so we are going to explore more about plotting, alright, and how we can change the graph's properties, the adding a legend, and having multiple plots on the same graph, and so on. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.